So today is Monday. On Saturday I did the core aeration and I want to mow today. So I'm going to set this mower to 1/2 inch. The way you set this mower is you use this little height of cut gauge. Looks like this. You kind of hook your bed knife right here. So you set this right here on the bed knife like that. You hold it, you adjust this. Okay, so there we go. Got the height of cut set at 1/2 inch. Pretty dirty there. So today is Monday. I mowed this lawn last Thursday at 0.55 of an inch. I just barely lowered the mower to 1/2 inch. I'm gonna do the first mow since I did the core aeration. So this is probably gonna really kind of eat my reel, and it's not gonna be very sharp when I'm done because the sand is all over the lawn. It's gonna kind of pick up all that junk. But I need this as low as I can go because I'm gonna bring sand in, and the lower you go on your mower, the easier it is to put the sand down and to drag it in. So I wanna just buzz over this 1/2 inch and all the way that I've got my lawn cut low. I need to cut the whole thing at 1/2 inch so I can spread the sand easily. So here we go. So I'm likely just gonna go over this really quickly. I'm not looking for stripes, not really looking for much of anything. I just want it cut low and I want the crap cleaned up. So I'm just gonna kind of run around the perimeter 2 times, maybe back and forth, and then I'm just gonna go for it in the field one at a time. So like I said, I'm not really going for style. I'm just mostly going to get the lawn cut. And I just want it nice and low. So when I bring the sand in, it'll go smoothly. So this is not a race, although I would love it to be a race. And this is not a race for style either. This is a get her done mode and shave that baby down to 1/2 inch. It's low. I love 1/2 inch. So I've got this whole section mowed at 1/2 inch. Just starting to rain right now, so I think I gotta keep pressing forward, keep mowing over here. So this area I would say is ready for the sand. Sand's coming tomorrow. Good day. So today is August the 20th, so that's kind of my time frame of getting this down, getting the sand going. So I did the cores on Saturday, Monday, mowing at 1/2 inch, and then Tuesday will likely mow at 1/2 inch again, or just go straight to the sand. It's starting to come down pretty good, so I am going to hit the cover. So if you can see over there where I haven't mowed versus where I have mowed, it's quite a bit greener on the right where I have not mowed. Really kind of cutting down all the foliage off there. And it's kind of sad to see it go from about, 3/4 down to 1/2 inch or so, but it's got to be done. The sand is coming in. It's going to make it so much easier to spread. So if you're wanting to spread sand, the lower your grass height, the better. So much easier to spread out. So it's working good, and I'm getting it buzzed down for the sand. So that's pretty well it. I have pretty well scalped this lawn and this lawn at about a 1/2 inch in preparation for the top dressing of the sand to make it nice and smooth and level. So I like the way this turned out and it looks good. So 2 thumbs up to that. Okay, so I just got my sand delivered. This is 2mm sand, screened and washed. This is not what they consider like play sand, so it's really not that fine, but it's just screened to 2mm. There is some fine, there is a little bit of coarse. So they mine this sand kind of look close to me, about 30 minutes away, and they truck this to different golf courses here and there. And so I'm going to use this to top dress my lawn. I need to get this on as soon as possible. It comes kind of wet. The drier the sand is as you put it on, the easier it is to work down into the soil. But so I've had a lot of people ask me about the top dressing procedure, how it's done, and how to do it, when to do it. So the time you want to do this is in the fall if you have cool season, or in the spring if you have cool season. Or if you have like a warm season grass like Bermuda, you can do it in the middle of summer and you want to do it. So you want to do it when the grass is growing the most vigorously and the strongest. So my grass is about to come into its strongest period here in about a week or two because the temperatures are starting to come down. And so now's the time to do it. So this is 14.96 tons of sand screened to 2mm, and I'm not sure what he's going to charge me. The last time I paid for this, it was, I think, $17 per ton plus a delivery charge. So it's not exactly cheap. This pile of sand will probably end up costing about 350 bucks. And I don't know how many yards it is. I think it's about between 10 and 12 yards sitting right here. So anyways, there's the deal. I'm going to start working on this a little bit later. I've got my drag device over there. Got to have that. Got to have the sand, and you got to have some way to spread it. Traditionally, you'd want to use like a top dressing machine, but I don't have one of those, and I don't want to go ask the golf course if I can borrow theirs, so I'm just going to do this manually, and it's a ton of work, but it's just so rewarding. I love this site here. This is a pile of goodness right here. This makes me excited. So anyways, just kind of wanted to show you that really quick, and then got to go to work all day today, and then I'm going to come home and top dress the lawn. I don't know how far I'm going to be able to get, but I've got another load coming tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm putting it on the lawn.